challenges of access to dollars.
President William Ruto has fired a warning to individuals hoarding dollars amid the currency crisis in the country, terming it as an ethical, quick money-making scheme.
Those of you who are hoarding dollars, you surely might go into losses. You better do what you must do, because this market is going to be different in a couple of weeks. Through the central bank, we are having conversations to reinstate the interbank exchange market that has since not worked.
Speaking during the listing of lab trustee Mara rate at the Nairobi Securities Exchange NSE, President William Ruto directed that moving forward, all oil brokers will not hoard dollars, as the government will now be making purchases of oil using Kenyan shillings.
Market-driven arrangement in our fuel sector that will see Kenya access all our fuel needs on a deferred 6-month credit.
The head of state further pointed out that the capital markets fraternity is going to play a central role in supporting the economic recovery.
I wish to emphasize the government's commitment to sound, consistent, stable, and predictable investor protection mechanism consisting of an impartial and transparent regulatory framework.
Yesterday, the NSE recorded the single largest trade of 22 billion. And we wish to thank FBG Securities and in particular Gregory Waweru for that great feat.
With the current political instability in the country, President Ruto assured investors of a secure and conducive environment for businesses to thrive.
I wish to emphasize the government's commitment to sound, consistent, stable, and predictable investor protection mechanism consisting of an impartial and transparent regulatory framework.
The listing of the lab trustee Mara rate marks an important milestone for the scheme at the Kenyan capital markets, as it seeks to provide investors with a unique opportunity to invest in diversified portfolio of income-generating real estate assets.
Real estate investment trust is actually signaling a fixed investment. It's actually telling us behind those units that are going to be traded, there is a long-term investment.
And in a bid to bridge the housing deficit that currently stands at about 5 million units, the government has now come up with a plan that will have all the construction materials sourced locally.
Those listening to me can begin to formulate their business and go into production, because we will consume these units.
Through the capital market, local private sector investors can participate in affordable housing, and this participation will catalyze further interest from international investors.
Linda Koskei, K24 TV.